In this video, you'll learn about the process of bone regeneration to repair a fracture. When a fracture occurs, the blood vessels within the bone are ruptured, and the first step in the repair of the fracture is the formation of a fracture hematoma, where platelets and clotting factors form a blood clot. This blood clot will stabilize bone fragments. Then chondroblasts and fibroblasts will migrate into the hematoma. The fibroblasts secrete collagen fibers, and the chondroblasts produce cartilage. This creates what's known as a callus that stabilizes the bone fragments. In the next step, the fibrous connective tissue and cartilage will be ossified. Ossification creates a hard callus that's primarily made of spongy bone. Finally, the hard callus will be remodeled, where the surface layer of the bone will be replaced with compact bone. It is important for fractures to be set correctly, or the process of bone regeneration can cause the bone to heal in an abnormal shape, which is known as a malunion. On the left here, we see an X-ray where a callus is starting to form within a humerus that's been fractured and has not been reset. The image on the right here shows us a femur that has been completely healed with a malunion, where the fracture was not appropriately set, and now the structure of the bone has been changed.